Hello everyone, my name is Marco Ortesa. This is my second tutorial on CATIA software and how to use CATIA software to design parts. So as usual, we start by switching to start from toolbars, then mechanical design and select part design. So here in this dialog box, gives the name of the part you are going to design. Set part 1. Okay. So while we make this, we have this window, which is sketch window. Select the sketch from sketch toolbar and YZ plane. So use these profile lines to generate continuous line. The use of this profile line is to generate the lines continuously to not use frequent clicking on the line. So this is my feature or my sketch. So and again select this line by controlling the and this horizontal line. From this select, this is a constant division. From constant division we select the symmetry and okay, again this, while you make this you have seen this concurrency line. So this and this line is symmetry of this horizontal line. So again select this and control this and again this horizontal axis and make it symmetry. Okay, now gives a constraint to all parts. This is about 10 and again this is automatically set it and select this and give the dimension. This is about 10 also. Okay, and this is no, sorry, this is 10. So double click this. This is about 48 and this is 50 and when our sketch is fully constrained, it was changed to green. Then exit the workbench. From the feature based or sketch based toolbar, select the part. So the dimension is, the length of our part is 16 mm, so we can mirror this part. That means it is changed to 32 because it is 16 far from the origin. So okay, and again select the this plane sketch, drag this to have enough place to generate another sketch. This is the bigger circle and another smaller circle. So give the dimension, double click this to have continuous dimensioning. This is 40, the bigger one is about 66, and again the origin of this circle to horizontal, from the horizontal axis is about this about 168. So exit the workbench again, select part and also mirror this. Okay, and again select this plane and click on sketch, use profile line, or first click the circle and project it, or we can redraw another circle, but and also this line, then project it. So now click on line, click this and also this. Okay, now let me trim this circle, and also from these profile lines or sketch features, use elongated holes. Draw it here. Okay, the radius of this is 7 mm, and also the length of this is 90, so it is by default 90. Then the distance of this from the horizontal line is about 25. So now it is full constrained. Then it is changed to deep green. So exit the workbench. Again, go to part definition. Select on part. The part is mirrored, so we have equally part from the origin to both sides. So sketch on mirror. Give the dimension of this part, which is 8, means when we mirror it, it is changed to about 60. So this is our part. So this must be filleted. So the dimension of this, the radius of this fillet is about 30. Okay, and on also the other side. Okay, then and again this part, which is about 6 mm. These parts, and with the same dimension, so we have made it. And again this part, select these two faces, then again go to edge fillets. The dimension is about 60. See the preview, and it is okay, so click on OK, and again select this part and sketch, use circle, generate circle here, and also select the constraint or the definition toolbox, concentricity, and again the diameter of this circle is 32, which means, yeah, 32, no, sorry, yeah, 16, sorry, 16. Then exit the workbench, use the pocket from the feature based and toolbox pocket. So from this, either we can give the dimension, or to have a hole on both sides, we have to change this to up to last. Up to last means it also drill, or the hole is made on both sides. So this is my part. So you can design or generate parts by using this catia. So to have another tutorials on this, don't forget to subscribe my channel, which is Wabi2